Morning, boys, girls, friends, enemies, whoever. So I was looking at the bike, and it is grubby. It gets ridden all the winter. So nice day the other day. I say nice, bloody cold but sunny. I decided to have a bit of a clean, and I've got bags on this, or normally have bags on this, and everything was looking a bit rancid. So I stripped the bags off the rear frame, took the rear side panels off the bike, the tail section, and my god, the places where mud had got and was sitting laughing at me, it's quite incredible. It was actually packed into places I didn't think mud would get to. So I spent literally the day just cleaning the back half of the bike. I haven't gone near the front under these tanks, but I've got to do a service soon, and that involves taking the tanks off. And I want to do the shims. Oh, they are joking. Is it still bloody closed? Oh dear God. Is it still closed, or have they just left the signs up? You never know with this bunch. Yeah, never ever know. Yeah, so I've left the bags off for a while. The bike looks a bit skinny, but the after effect is not only is she pretty safe at the bottom. Oh well, turnaround job. They've been doing this for like ever. It feels different at the back end. It's surprising how much weight the bag rack and the bags and all the bits I keep in the bags, because I'm like that. If you've got a bag, put something in it, leave it in there. But it's made the back end a lot lighter, a lot skippier. Yeah, we'll see how far you get. So yeah, it's a winter job. If I didn't play in the mud, I wouldn't have had to do that. But it's quite satisfying. In fact, it's very satisfying. Excuse me. So, do you winter clean? Are you a winter rider? That's the first thing. I know an awful lot of people aren't. And we all, I think, if we've got our bikes muddy, sort of snow foam and spray it off and give it a quick polish. But how often do you delve underneath into the nooks and the crannies and the ledges and the bits? Because it's surprising what builds up under there. Underneath the mud was ordinary road grit, you know, ordinary road grime, as you call it. Even though I've washed the bike on an extremely regular basis, it's surprising just how much had built up under there despite being washed. So do you delve into your bits? you a surface polish person? That was it, just questions really. How well do you clean your bike? Mainly aimed at the winter riders. The trouble is, now I've sort of cleaned it all up, I'm on manky roads again. Oh, we beat him. Now I'm on manky roads. It's all getting bloody dirty again. But it's the mud that's the enemy. That build up that sits there around your nuts and bolts, and every time the weather changes it sucks in the dampness. A bit of a hidden killer on the old nuts and bolts, and nobody likes their nuts going rusty. I've asked the question. I haven't got much to talk about, or should I say I'm mind blank. Terrible affliction. You go out and think, I'll do a vlog. Nothing. You guys had fun, and gals. Remember, keep smiling at the awkward buggers. Have fun. Ride safe. I'll catch you later. Bloody great blobs of diesel all over the road. Sodding hell.